Today we're going to be talking about copywriting, and by the end of the video, you're going to know exactly what the heck copywriting is. I'm not talking about copyright infringement. Completely different. That copywriting is very different from copyright, that legal part of it. So first off, let's start off with what is copywriting? Copywriting is essentially using words with the purpose of advertising or some other form of marketing to persuade the end consumer, the potential customer, the prospect to take action. So you see copywriting everywhere, from the billboards to magazines to flyers, or even in Facebook ads and Instagram ads, you see people in the captions, kind of like some of these are fairly long captions that tell a story, then that by the end of it should compel you to take action. And it doesn't necessarily have to be just written word. There's audio and video. When you go onto some of these landing pages, or you see some medical ads, so to speak, like are you dealing with depression? Are you tired of weight loss? Are you feeling this? Like if you've seen those types of infomercials, that's copywriting but used for video, and they're using the visuals to help drive the point home. They're using copywriting to help paint that picture for you. The same thing with radio commercials. I don't know if you still listen to traditional radio. That's probably one of my favorite forms of copy to listening to. Kind of judge it to see like how well they're talking about the pain point, how well they're providing proof, and how well the call to action is. So you see it everywhere. and believe it or not, you're already using copy. You just don't know it. There's a lot of skills that we naturally do as human beings, like walking or running. Like everyone can run, but not everyone can run a mile in 4 minutes. Not everyone can do a triathlon or even a marathon. It's the same thing. We're all using writing, we're all using our words, but are we using it effectively to help us drive the result that we want? Whenever you're sharing a Facebook status, a tweet, you're already doing copywriting. Wouldn't it make sense to be able, especially if you're trying to promote your business, wouldn't it make sense to be able to use your words as a tool to help support the social media tool to get results, to build brand awareness, to build leads?